This is the Godox M150 LED. Let's quickly unbox it and see the contents. As you can see, this is a small light unit, but it has a decent light output. It has a 1/4" screw at the bottom so that its L bracket can be attached there. And then it can be attached to any light stand or on any camera. The included mobile phone mounting bracket is an added advantage. The light is compact size yet gives powerful illumination. That makes the light very convenient to carry. The light's brightness can be changed from 10 to 100 and it uses its inbuilt lithium-ion battery. It comprises of 150 high-quality LED beads with max power of 9 watts, giving a daylight color temperature of 5600 Kelvin. Let's have a look at its power in portrait shooting. The continuous LED light can be used in small product shoots also. The soft light and even illumination gives best result as a key light or fill-in light. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H.Vali, the electronic Megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram using this ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets, cameras and camera accessories. And also, these products are available on easy EMI. Thank you for watching this video by CrossBeatz. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.